completed chapter number 9, Boxes and Sketches, part 1, from page number 126 to 128. Today we are going to start part 2. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of today, floor maps. So this topic is given in your books, page number 129. So now let us read together. For making a house, a floor map is first made. Have you ever seen a floor map? Students, have you ever seen a floor map? Yes, I have seen a floor map. Here is a floor map of Vibha's house. So here you can see this is a floor map of Vibha's house. It shows where the windows and the doors are in the house. Floor map tells us that where the windows and doors are in the house. So now question, which is the front side of a house? How many windows are there on the front side? So students, in the picture you can see this is the door and there is only one door in the house. So this is the front side and from here we will enter. And how many windows are there in the house? 1, 2. So there are 2 windows in the house. From the floor map, we cannot make out what her house really looks like or how high the windows are. So we look for a special way of drawing the house which is deep to show the length, width and height. Here are 4 deep drawings of houses. So students, here you can see 4 deep drawings of houses. So now we have to tell which one is Vibha's house. So now let us do this question through screen. So here you can see floor map of Vibha's house. At front there is one door and 2 windows. Then back side there is one window and left side there is another window. So now let us see 4 deep drawings of houses and which one is Vibha's house. A part you can see front side there are 2 windows and 1 door. It is correct. Left side there is another window. But at back wall if you can see it is straight. But here back wall is towards down and then window. So this is not the correct answer. Then B part, window, then door, then there is one another wall. So this is also wrong. Then C part, you can see one window and there is another window. But this left side window is towards the wall. So this is wrong. There is some gap in middle. Then D part, here you can see 2 windows, then 1 door, then left side 1 window, then wall, then back window we cannot see. So D part is the correct answer. So now let us do practice time given in your book, page number 130. Question number 1. Look at this floor map of a house. Make doors and windows on the deep drawing of this house. So students, this is a floor map of a house. And this is 2D and this is a deep drawing of this house and this is 3D. Now we have to make doors and windows. So students, here you can see door. So here I have drawn the door. So in floor map you can see here is one window towards right hand side. So this window I have drawn here in deep drawing. And the window which you can see here. So this window will be drawn here in deep drawing. So these 2 left hand side windows will not be visible. So are there any windows you could not show on the deep drawing? Circle them on the floor map. Yes, there are 2 windows which we cannot show on the deep drawing. So these 2 windows I have circled on the floor map. Try to make floor map of your own house. Students, this question number 2 is your homework. Try to make a floor map of your own house. Next topic, a deep drawing of a cube. So students, you all know what is a cube. A cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It has 6 faces and all its faces are square. So now let us read together. Soumitra and his friends made deep drawings of a cube. These are their drawings. So in your books you can see the drawings which Soumitra and his friends has drawn. So now the question is, which of the drawings look correct to you? Discuss. So now let's just see the pictures of the drawing which is being drawn by them. Which is correct? D and E is the correct drawing of cube. Next question. Can you add some lines to make drawing F into a deep drawing of the cube? Yes, we can draw some lines in figure F to make it a cube. So now let us do puzzle given in your book, page number 131. This cutout is folded to make a cube. So you can see this cutout. So this is folded to make a cube. So now let us do this activity. Students, let us start the activity given. So here you can see this is a cutout which I have made and folded to make a cube. So this picture you can see in your book, page number 131. Same like that, I have cut a piece of paper and there are 6 faces of cube. So write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces are there in a cube. Now fold it and make a dice. So now let us do the questions given in your book. So like this you can see it has been made a dice. Which of these are the correct deep drawings of that cube? A part, so at top students you can see 2, then at side it is 3 and this side it is 1. So A part is correct, it is the deep drawing of cube. B part, at top you can see it is 1. So 1 is here, yes. Then side 3 and here it is 2 but in dice it is 5, so it is false. C part, at top you can see it is 6. Then side you can see it is 2. Yes. Then here you can see it is 5 and here it is 4. So it is not the deep drawing. D part, at top you can see it is drawn 4. Then side it is 1. And here this side it is 5. So this is correct. Now E part, at top you can see 6. So here it is 6. Yes. Now at side you can see it is 3. Yes. And here it is 2. So this is also correct. So A, D, E are correct deep drawings of that cube. Next topic, a simple way to draw a cube. So here Chanda wants to draw a cube. So now what is she saying? She draws the cube like this. I drew 2 squares like this to show the front face and the back face. So like this she has drawn the 2 squares to show the front face and the back face. I joined the corners of the squares like this to make the deep drawing of the box. So how Chanda has drawn the cube? I'll show you. First she has drawn 1 square. Then here she has drawn another square. Now join the corners. So like this she has joined the corners. So this is the drawing of cube. Next question, in the same way make a deep drawing of a box which looks like this. So now we have to draw a deep drawing of this box. So this box is looking like a cuboid. So now let us draw one rectangle. Now draw another rectangle. Now join the corners. So here we have joined the corners. So this is a deep drawing of cuboid. Next topic, matchbox play. This topic is there in your book, page number 132. So now let us read together. Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya made this bridge using matchboxes. Students, you all know what is a matchbox? Matches ki dippi. With the help of that, these 3 people, Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya, they have made a bridge like this. So Naveen and Pratigya made drawings of the bridge. So the bridge looks like this to me from where I am standing. So here the boy is saying the bridge looks like this from where I am standing. So here from your drawing I can make out how long and how wide the bridge is. But I cannot make out how wide it is. Pratigya said the bridge looks like this to me. My drawing shows how high our bridge is and how wide it is. So students, I hope you all know 3 different views of seeing an object. Top view, side view and front view. So here we are discussing about 3 views. So now let us do the question given in your book, page number 133. If you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing below. So in your books you can see A and B part. So students, now you tell me which is the top view of the bridge. B part is the top view of the given bridge. Now let us move further. Look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. So students, now you have to draw a deep drawing of this bridge. This part is your homework. Now it's time to do practice questions. Question number 1. Make drawings to show how this bridge will look. So students, here you can see the bridge in your book. So A part, from the top. How this bridge will look from the top? It will look like this. B part, from the front. So this bridge will look from the front like this. C part, from the side. So this bridge will look like this from the side. Question number 2 will be your homework. Make a matchbox model which looks like this. In your book you can see a matchbox model, and also you have to draw a deep drawing in your rough copies. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Guli ma'am's class. So chapter number 9, boxes and sketches chapter is completed. Now I'll continue in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.